install these motherfuckers right here. Sheesh. I need an alignment bad. And that camberware too. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be ordering my full race downpipes here within the next week. So look out for that. About to get some gains right now guys. We literally just got done installing my new tires right now. So now we're just waiting on Carlos to pull up. I want his wheels so bad. Jeez. Why are you vlogging, bro? I'll show you guys our workout today. We're gonna hit shoulders and you guys wanna hit shoulders and back or what?
Fuck no, we do chest and running and abs and all that kind of shit.
So you already know, we got bro VD over here, thinking he's big. He wants to be like me soon, but it's not gonna happen, kids. Crazy, he's tired. Look at this kid, he shaved his mustache, guys.
I did it for them. Yeah, I want you to go heavier after this, alright? That's like 10 pounds right there, bro. Come on. Get that shit.
So to my subscribers, I'm gonna do these to you guys, alright? Non-stop.
Get it. Yo guys, we just got done. We killed fucking what, shoulders and back. So we got to come back tomorrow, back to the grind, as you guys know. I know you guys been like asking for more vlogs, so this is more like of a vlog for you guys. As you can tell by the title of this video here, I'm gonna be ceramic coating my Q60 today, so should be pretty fun. And I'll be showing you guys how to do it as well, like walk you guys through the steps, so you guys can save yourself money and do it this way as well. This is a good method here. I'm gonna be using Chemical Guys products here, and I already have a little buffer, so you guys really don't need a buffer. You guys could just use like a little cloth to buff the ceramic coat and then buff it off with a clean towel there. But the good thing is my dad already had a buffer at the house just chilling, so I was like, fuck it, this is perfect for this. And it's a pretty decent sized one too, so it shouldn't take us no longer than 3 hours. I know that sounds like a lot of steps here, which is, you know, washing the vehicle and then clay barring the vehicle and then go ahead and lay the ceramic coat down. So that's 3 steps right there. And then if I really wanted to, I could detail the car afterwards. So it should be pretty dope. I'm picking up one of the homies right now, Ever. He's actually trying to go eat right now. You got another one?
Oh yeah. Bro,
fucking baller. Alright guys, so this is how the car looks right now. It's super clean. You guys can tell I just got done washing it. You want to make sure your car is clean as possible. Make sure you guys wash your car. Make sure you guys hand wash it actually. Don't just drive it to the drive-thru. Make sure you guys actually go through every little surface of the car and properly hand wash it. So once you get done with the hand wash now, you guys should be able to go ahead and lay the clay bar down. So we're going to go ahead and clay bar the whole car. I'm going to show you guys the process of that right now, and then once we get done with the clay bar, we can go ahead and hit it with the ceramic coat. So let me go and show you guys what I'm going to be using for this video. Make sure you guys have a lot of patience because this is going to take a while, especially clay barring the car. So you got to make sure you hit every single panel. So this is all I'm going to be using here to ceramic coat my car. This is a Chemical Guys. This was $49 I believe, so 50 bucks. This is high quality as well. I think this is good for 2 years. Also picked up a clay bar kit here. So this comes with 2 bars here. You're only going to need 1 for a whole car. The clay bar kit here being $20 at Walmart. Also comes with a little microfiber towel, along with a detailer here that we are going to be using as well. Now this is the pad I was talking about here. Thankfully my dad had this sitting in the garage. I believe you could pick one of these up for around like $50 at your local like Harbor Freight. And then this is just the buffing pad right here. So $100 to ceramic coat your car. I got quoted a couple times here to ceramic coat my Q60. I was looking around $700 and $800 to get my whole car ceramic coated. So I'm going to do the HUD real quick. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Just grab your clay bar. Make sure you guys don't miss the spot. Make sure you guys hit every little spot on the surface that you're going in, and just go back and forth here smoothly, and you guys can hear it. I don't know if the camera picks it up. That's how fucking rough my paint was. But yeah, just go ahead and do that, guys. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, I just got done with this half of the hood now. Then you grab a clean microfiber towel, guys. Alright guys, we just got done clay barring the whole car now. So all we gotta do now is hit it with some ceramic coat. So I'm gonna just put a good amount, just like so. Just like that, guys, going in circular motion there. Looks super good. Honestly, I'm super impressed with how the results came out with the ceramic coat. It came out really fucking good. Make sure you guys take your time doing it. It took me 4 hours, which is a lot, but it was my first time doing it. Take your time. Honestly, it does take some patience here, so be patient with it for quality results. I was getting quoted anywhere from $700 and up from shops and shit. So I saved myself about $700. I spent like 90 bucks to get it done myself. Thank you guys so much for making this far in this video. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys next time. It's hot as fuck out here in Arizona. And peace.